Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 5-Star English, the right place to learn English from scratch or improve your skills. In today's lesson, we're going to dive into a super important topic: personal pronouns, subject and object pronouns. Ready? Grab your notebooks and let's get started. What are personal pronouns? They are words that replace a specific person, place, thing, or idea in a sentence. They are called personal because they correspond to the three grammatical persons: I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Examples with phrases: I need help. Do you know where the bathroom is? He is with me. She is my wife. It is time to go. We are going to have lunch now. Are you all okay? They are looking for work. What are object pronouns? In English, object pronouns are words we use to replace a noun that receives the action of a verb or follows a preposition. A personal pronoun is the subject that performs the action. An object pronoun is the object that receives the action. Example: I bought a present for him. I personal pronoun because it performs the action, the act of buying, active in the sentence. Him, object pronoun, the one that receives the action from something or someone, the passive in the sentence. Correct. I bought a present for he. Incorrect. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Examples with phrases: Can you help me? I gave him a job opening. He needs to talk to her. He taught us how to work with it. I sent them my resume. Titles: How to use Mr., Mrs., Ms., Your Highness, Your Excellency, Ladies and Gentlemen, Madam, Ma'am, and Miss. Have you ever been confused about how to address someone in English? Should you say Mrs., Ms., or Mrs.? I'll teach you exactly when to use these titles so you can sound polite and professional. Let's start with men because it's super simple. For men, we generally use only one title: Sir. Tip: make sure to pronounce it correctly. Senior, not senior with a strong R, just a soft sir. Now, for women, we have three options, and this is where people get confused. Let's analyze. Mrs., married. First, we have Mrs. This title is used only for married women who use their husband's last name. Miss, used for single women, usually young women. Ms. is a neutral and modern title that can be used by women, regardless of their marital status. Sir, ma'am, and madam. First, if you want to be polite to a stranger, for men, simply use sir. Example: Excuse me, sir, you dropped your wallet. For women. For a woman, it depends on where you are. In North America, USA, Canada, we generally use madam. It's an abbreviation of madam. In the UK or in very formal situations, you might hear madam. Example: Can I help you, madam? Ladies and gentlemen, groups. This is the classic and formal way to address a mixed audience. Example: Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. VIP titles: Your Highness and Your Excellency. Now let's talk about something more formal. What if you meet someone extremely important? Your Excellency. If you are speaking to a high-ranking authority such as an ambassador, a governor, or in some countries, a judge, we use Your Excellency. Speaking to them: Good morning, Your Excellency. Speaking about them: His Excellency or Her Excellency. If you don't know if a woman is married or single, or if you simply want to be professional, use Mrs. This is the standard in business nowadays because it doesn't reveal marital status, just as Mr. doesn't for men. Now here's the number one mistake students make. In your native language, you can use a formal title with the first name, but in English, we don't do that. We use these titles with the last name or the full name. Wrong. Hello, Mr. John. Right. Hello, Mr. Smith. Right. Hello, Mr. John Smith. Therefore, never use Mr., Mrs., or Ms. with only the first name in a formal situation. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end. I hope you enjoyed it. In the next lesson, we will talk about the verb to be, so don't miss it. Subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.